In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect eToro to MetaTrader 5. Actually, before we go any further, I need to be straight with you about something important. This isn't possible, and it's not because of a missing setting or an outdated app somewhere. eToro simply doesn't support MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 at all, and there's no bridge, plugin, or workaround that legitimately gets around that. I'd rather tell you that clearly up front than send you chasing a setup that doesn't exist. Let's dive right in and I'll explain what's actually going on, plus what you can do instead. Here's the reasoning behind it. eToro built its own proprietary trading platform from the ground up, specifically because their signature features, things like copy trader and smart portfolios, rely on eToro's own infrastructure to let you follow and automatically mirror other traders. MT4 and MT5 simply weren't designed with that kind of social trading layer in mind. So rather than trying to force compatibility, eToro made a deliberate choice to keep their platforms separate. This isn't a temporary limitation either. They haven't indicated any plans to change this, so it's safe to treat it as a permanent part of how eToro operates. Now, a quick safety note here, since this matters. If you come across a video, app, or tool online claiming it can connect your eToro account to MT5, I'd treat that with real caution. Since there's no official pathway for this kind of connection, anything promising to do it either isn't genuinely pulling from your real eToro account, or worse, could be asking for your login credentials somewhere they really shouldn't be going. When something claims to bypass a limitation a company has clearly and repeatedly confirmed doesn't exist, that's usually a red flag rather than a hidden feature. So, what should you actually do? It really depends on what you're after. If you just want MT5's charting and analysis tools while still placing your real trades through eToro, you can absolutely use them side by side, just not connected. Open a free MT5 account with any broker purely for its charts and indicators. Do your analysis there, and then manually place the trade over on eToro. If what you're really after is automated trading, expert advisors, or full MT5 execution, the honest path is opening an account with a broker that actually supports MT5, since that's the only way to get genuine execution through that platform. And that's the real picture here. No connection exists between the two. But that doesn't mean you're stuck, just that the two tools work best running independently rather than together. Thanks for watching and happy trading.